What are you doing? I was sitting here and you just dropped right in. Oh, you're moving. Oh. Oh! Okay, now you're getting back up, aren't you? Today, I'll be talking about accomplishment. That's right. So what did I just accomplish there? I accomplished captivating your attention. Alright? So basically, since talking about accomplishment today, what is accomplishment? Accomplishment is like this. I will put this up my nose. Step 1. Step 2. Step 3. 4. That's what accomplishment is. If you want to be an A-class Hollywood actor, if you got a dream over here, then accomplishment is going to be all the way down here to begin with. Most people think of accomplishment as, oh, I'm going to become an A-list actor. But in order to do that, it may take 10 years from step 1 to step 2 to step 3 to step 4 to step 5. Because a plan without a plan is a wish. So don't confuse accomplishment with dreams, alright? I've been wearing the same clothes for a couple of days, by the way, and you better deal with it. You better deal with it to the ends of the earth.